visiting the best ginger tea shop, and it's located just behind Gleneagles hospital, and I think this is Service Road. And I would like you to meet the person who makes the most delicious ginger tea. The son, of course. No, I'm sorry. I have to show your son first.
Okay, no problem.
Okay?
No problem.
And then you.
Okay.
Okay, here is the son, and I tell you, he really makes the best ginger tea. Please come here if you really love ginger tea. It's called teh halia in Malay. Okay. So, do you have any secrets about your ginger tea?
This one secret This one normal secret. This one original ginger.
Okay.
So we made in home.
Yeah.
So this one homemade homemade.
Okay. And I'm sure you added a lot of love.
Maybe.
Yeah.
A lot of love.
And a lot of smile and happiness. Thank you so much for making the best ginger tea.
Thank you. Welcome.
Okay. Huh? Okay, and these are the food they serve. They have samosas, sardine, bread, nasi lemak, and packaged food. So, if you like, please come here. And this is the father, his father. And thank you for your delicious coffee.
Thank you.
Yes. And they are always happy, all these people. They are always happy being here. Okay, the crowd is not so much right now because it is still not lunchtime, and around 12 the people working in the hospital would come. Yes, around 12 o'clock. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Ginger tea.
Oh yeah, can we have 2 ginger tea, please? Kurang manis.
Okay.
Kurang manis means less sugar, so the dad will make for us the tea this time, and we'll see you in a moment.
Okay, this is the nice ginger tea we just talked about. It's very nice and it is homemade. So wonderful.
And you feel the ginger trickle down your throat. It's a bit hot, and if we've had a hot meal, chili hot meal, and you can feel the heat down the throat, and it's really nice. Okay, we're going to enjoy our tea, and we'll see you later. Bye bye.